So if you're getting a loud rotational noise coming from your wheels, what you potentially have here is bad wheel bearings. So the noise gets louder as you pick up speed, especially on the highway. It can echo inside the passenger cabin, and you could also hear the noise driving on the highway next to the concrete barriers. So what you potentially have here are bad wheel bearings. So this is a pressed one, and this one is a bolted one. So these are a lot easier to change than these. This type is way more labor intensive. It's going to take about an extra 2 hours to get this one done, just because there's more steps involved. And if rust is involved, then it could turn into a nightmare as well. Now you could also have a bad wheel bearing by checking play in the wheel. So if your wheel is loose at 12 and 6, 9 and 3, and all around, then what you have is a loose wheel bearing. And sometimes a loose wheel bearing will not make any noise.